Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Vivint versus ADT. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which security system is better. So, the main difference between Vivint and ADT is that Vivint gives its users options where they get to choose whether they'll settle with self-monitoring or professional monitoring, whereas ADT requires homeowners to do 24/7 professional monitoring with all its systems. Installation. Vivint seeks to offer its clients the after-sales service, and therefore you will get a free professional installation upon the purchase of a Vivint security system. The free installation service puts the security systems provider ahead of its competitor, ADT, which does not offer free installation but requires the security system to be installed by professionals. Money-back guarantee. The money-back guarantee feature, offered by product developers, proves the trust that a company has in its products, and in the long run inspires confidence in their clients. Vivint offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if the security system does not suffice a client's needs. ADT, on the other hand, has successfully inspired confidence in its products and backs its security system with a 6-month money-back guarantee. In terms of the money-back guarantee, ADT is the better option because the company allows its clients up to 6 months to determine whether they're fully satisfied. Camera options. Vivint offers homeowners 2 camera options. They can either get the outdoor cameras or the doorbell cameras. ADT, on the other hand, also offers its clients 2 options. They can either get the doorbell camera or the indoor camera. Depending on how you want to watch over your home, you could either settle with ADT or Vivint. It all depends on the configuration that will be suitable for your home, because both camera options are necessary. Cellular connectivity. Both Vivint and ADT allow homeowners to integrate their cellular phones with the security system. However, Vivint is not 100% wireless. This above feature therefore elevates ADT over Vivint because it is 100% wireless and can integrate with cellular devices. Security system equipment. In a bid to remain relevant while keeping up with the latest technology, ADT has been keen to adopt and implement the latest technology in its products. Thus, upon purchase of the ADT security system, homeowners will be provided with a touchscreen control panel, whereas the Vivint security system individuals will have to use traditional wireless keypad. On the flip side, Vivint provides its clients with up to 4 door and window sensors, devices that enable comprehensive protection. ADT, on the other hand, does not offer its clients many door or window sensors. So, if you wish to be in full control of your home's security features and systems, then Vivint is the brand to settle for. Billing. Both the ADT and the Vivint security retail at high prices. And if you plan on investing in ADT, then you will have to pay for the equipment up front. Vivint allows its clients to pay for the security system in monthly installments, a feature that makes it quite affordable despite the high retail price. Comparison table. From the table above, you can see that the ADT will require you to individually pay for a professional to install the ADT security system, whereas Vivint provides its clients with a professional to help install the security system. Vivint offers this service at no extra cost. Similarities. Vivint and ADT have almost similar security components. For example, the ADT video package and Vivint's security system are almost the same. ADT offers its clients the intuitive ADT Pulse app, while Vivint offers its clients the Vivint Smart Home app. Both security systems also offer a money-back guarantee and are configured to enable cellular integration. Verdict. So which is better? ADT is the better security system because the company allows its clients to use its products and services for up to 6 months and still offers them a money-back guarantee if the products and services don't meet their needs. ADT also retails the current technology, providing homeowners with intuitive touchscreen control panel. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel, and let us know which comparisons you'd like to see next.